Yes, this story is about a boy who lived with his parents in Gandhiji's ashram, Sabarmati Ashram, and took care of the goat which provided milk for Gandhiji. And the title of the story, Marching to Freedom, tells us about the Dandi March by Mahatma Gandhi to make salt. Now come and read the story.
Chapter number 4, Marching to Freedom. Yes, dear students, what do you understand from the title, Marching to Freedom? Yes, this story is about a boy lived in Sabarmati Ashram with Gandhiji. Dhani and his parents lived in Mahatma Gandhi's Sabarmati Ashram. Dhani used to take care of Binny, one of the ashram's goats. Binny was his best friend and he liked talking to her. The ashram had become very noisy and full of activity in the past few days. Dhani knew something exciting was being planned at the ashram. That morning, as Dhani fed Binny, he said, "Something is going on, Binny. They all keep discussing something. They are planning something. I know it." Dhani went to his mother and asked, "Amma, is Gandhiji going somewhere?" His mother said, "He is going on a march." "March? Where is he going?" Dhani queried. Dhani's mother thought that he was only killing time. She said, "Stop asking questions and let me do my work." Dhani went to the vegetable garden where old Binda was digging up potatoes. "Binda Chacha," Dhani sat beside him, "are you going on the march too?" Binda nodded his head. Dhani eagerly asked, "Where are you all going?" Binda stopped digging and told him about the march. Gandhiji and some people from the ashram were going to walk through Gujarat to reach the sea at a place called Dandi. They would walk for a whole month. Once they reached Dandi, they would make salt. Yes, dear students, you can see this picture. Dhani is there. This boy is Dhani, who takes care of a goat named Binny. One day he noticed that ashram was noisy and full of activity. He wanted to know about it. Why all are discussing and planning something? Dhani asked his mother, and his mother answered that Gandhiji was going on a march. Dhani again asked, where was he going? Mother did not answer at that time. Then he went to the vegetable garden. There he saw old Binda. He asked him about the activity. There Binda said Gandhiji and some people were going to walk through Gujarat to reach the sea at a place called Dandi. They would walk for a whole month. Once they reached Dandi, they would make salt. यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो बिनी एक बॉय है जो गांधी जी के साबरमती आश्रम में अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ रहता है। एक दिन वो अपनी गॉड बिनी के साथ था और वो बिनी के साथ ही बात करता है कि देखो बिनी, ये सब लोग आपस में कुछ डिस्कशन कर रहे हैं और ऐसा लग रहा है कि कुछ प्लानिंग कर रहे हैं, लेकिन उसको कुछ भी समझ नहीं आता। फिर धानी अपनी मदर के पास जाता है और मदर से पूछता है कि क्या माँ गांधी जी कहीं जा रहे हैं। तो मदर ने बोला हाँ, गांधी जी इज गोइंग ऑन अ मार्च। यू कैन सी दिस इज कॉल्ड मार्च। पीपल आर गोइंग, दे आर वॉकिंग फॉर समथिंग, दिस इज कॉल्ड मार्च। माँ ने बताया कि गांधी जी मार्च के लिए जा रहे हैं। वो फिर पूछता है कि कहाँ जा रहे हैं। मदर उसको आंसर नहीं देती है। वो वेजिटेबल गार्डन में जाता है जहाँ पर एक ओल्ड अंकल हैं जिनको जाकर वो बोलता है बिंदा चाचा आपको पता है इस सब के बारे में। देन ही सेड यस। बिंदा ने धानी को बताया कि गांधी जी और आश्रम के कुछ लोग मिलकर मार्च पे जा रहे हैं और ये जाएंगे डांडी। गुजरात से होते हुए डांडी तक जाएंगे, जहाँ पर पहुँचने के बाद ये वहाँ पर जाकर सॉल्ट बनाएंगे, मीन्स नमक बनाएंगे।